Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? It's a question that has intrigued mankind for millennia, sparking countless debates, theories, and explorations. Today we embark on a journey that takes us beyond the confines of our home planet, into the vast, uncharted territories of the cosmos. Space exploration, ladies and gentlemen, is not just about flashy rockets and astronauts floating in zero gravity. It's about our quest to understand the universe and our place in it. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, and perhaps finding answers to that age-old question: are we alone? The universe, as we know it, is a vast expanse of space-time teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets. In this awe-inspiring sea of cosmic entities, there's a high probability that there are planets just like ours, capable of supporting life. The quest to find these potentially habitable planets is a vital part of our space exploration endeavors. Enter the Kepler Space Telescope. Launched by NASA, Kepler's mission was to seek out Earth-like planets orbiting other stars in our galaxy. Named after the renowned astronomer Johannes Kepler, this space telescope has been instrumental in our search for extraterrestrial life. Kepler's primary goal was to discover planets located in habitable zones, also known as Goldilocks zones, regions around a star where conditions might be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for life as we know it to exist. And in its quest, the Kepler Space Telescope has made some fascinating discoveries. One such intriguing discovery is Kepler 1649c. Imagine an exoplanet that may just be the most similar to our Earth, Kepler 1649c. This celestial body was first brought to light by the Kepler Space Telescope, a marvel of human engineering that has been surveying the cosmos since 2009. Kepler 1649c was initially overlooked, a small blip in the vast sea of data gathered by the telescope. However, in April of 2020, astronomers revisited the data and found something extraordinary. Kepler 1649c is nestled comfortably in what is known as the habitable zone of its star, Kepler 1649. This zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is at just the right distance from the star to allow for the existence of liquid water on a planet's surface, given the right conditions. Too close to the star and water evaporates in intense heat. Too far away and water freezes in the bitter cold. But in the habitable zone, it's just right. Now let's talk about location. Kepler 1649c is approximately 300 light-years away from Earth, in the constellation of Cygnus. This might seem like an astronomical distance, but in the grand scheme of our universe, it's practically in our cosmic backyard. Kepler 1649c is approximately 1.06 times the size of Earth, making it the most Earth-like planet found by the Kepler mission in terms of size. It orbits its star every 19.5 days, meaning its years are much shorter than ours. But don't start packing your bags for an extended vacation just yet. The star it orbits is a red dwarf, much cooler and smaller than our sun, and the planet's surface temperature is yet unknown. So, we have an exoplanet, roughly the same size as Earth, in the habitable zone of its star and relatively close by on a cosmic scale. But what exactly makes Kepler 1649c so special? Kepler 1649c is a world of extremes. Imagine a planet only slightly larger than Earth, yet its conditions are anything but familiar. Kepler 1649c, an exoplanet located about 300 light-years away from us, is intriguingly similar in size to our home planet. It's just about 1.2 times the size of Earth, making it one of the most Earth-sized planets discovered to date. But don't let its size fool you into thinking it's Earth's twin. Kepler 1649c orbits a red dwarf star, a type of star that's smaller and cooler than our sun. And this isn't a leisurely orbit like Earth's annual trip around the sun. No, Kepler 1649c completes an orbit in a mere 19 days. That's right, a year on Kepler 1649c lasts less than 3 weeks on Earth. Now you might be thinking, that must be a scorching hot planet, right? Surprisingly, due to its star's lower temperature, Kepler 1649c actually receives about 75% of the amount of light that Earth receives from the sun. This places it in the habitable zone, that Goldilocks region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. But here's where it gets tricky. Red dwarf stars are known for their extreme activity. They can produce powerful, harmful flares that could strip away a planet's atmosphere, making it less likely for life as we know it to survive. However, scientists aren't ruling out the possibility of life entirely. It's a cosmic conundrum that continues to captivate our curiosity. So, Kepler 1649c is a world of contrasts. Similar in size to Earth, yet vastly different in its environmental conditions. It's a place of intense heat and potentially life-threatening solar flares, yet it also sits in that tantalizing habitable zone. Kepler 1649c is unique, but does it have the ingredients for life? That's the question that keeps scientists searching the stars, and it's a question that we'll continue to explore in our journey through the cosmos. Could life as we know it exist on Kepler 1649c? That's the question that has intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts alike since its discovery. When we ponder the possibilities of life beyond Earth, we are essentially looking for conditions that can support life as we know it. So what are these conditions? Well, for starters, a planet must be in the habitable zone of its star, where it's not too hot and not too cold, making liquid water possible on its surface. This is often referred to as the Goldilocks zone. Now, Kepler 1649c happens to be in the habitable zone of its star, which is a strong tick in the life-friendly box. But the surface conditions are just as crucial. Earth-like life requires a stable atmosphere with the right mix of gases. Here's where things get a bit tricky. Kepler 1649c is about 1.06 times the size of Earth, which could suggest a similar composition. However, without direct observations of its atmosphere, we can't be certain of its conditions. Furthermore, the planet orbits a red dwarf star, which are known for their intense stellar flares that could potentially strip away a planet's atmosphere over time. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. Life, as we've come to understand it, is incredibly resilient. On Earth, we've found organisms thriving in the most extreme conditions, from the scorching heat of volcanic vents to the freezing darkness of the deep sea. So who's to say that life couldn't adapt to the conditions on Kepler 1649c, or perhaps even thrive in ways we can't yet imagine? The truth is, we just don't know yet. Kepler 1649c presents an exciting puzzle for astronomers to solve. And while we don't have all the answers, the search for life on this intriguing exoplanet offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities that lie beyond our own world. And so, the search for life beyond Earth continues. What does the discovery of Kepler 1649c mean for the future of space exploration? The discovery of Kepler 1649c has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, heralding a new era in our quest to explore the cosmos. This exoplanet, tantalizingly similar to Earth in size and temperature, has ignited a spark of curiosity that's set to fuel our journey into the great unknown. The impact of this discovery is multifaceted. On one hand, it provides a target for future missions, a celestial body that could potentially harbor life. On the other hand, it propels our technology and research methods forward, pushing us to develop more advanced telescopes, more efficient propulsion systems, and more sophisticated data analysis techniques. Looking ahead, the future is bright, and it's filled with exciting possibilities. NASA is already planning to launch the James Webb Space Telescope, which will peer deeper into space than ever before, capturing high-resolution images of distant exoplanets, including Kepler 1649c. Simultaneously, the European Space Agency is working on the Plato mission, set to observe and categorize thousands of bright stars and their planetary systems. Kepler 1649c will undoubtedly be a part of this extensive study, along with many other potential Earth-like planets waiting to be discovered. The private sector is also joining the exploration race. Companies like SpaceX are investing in the development of spacecraft capable of interstellar travel. Even though the journey to Kepler 1649c would take millions of years with current technology, the progress being made in concepts like antimatter propulsion and wormhole travel could drastically reduce this timescale. So, what does this all mean? It means that the discovery of Kepler 1649c is not the end, but rather the beginning of a fascinating journey. It's a journey that will take us beyond our solar system, into the vast expanse of the universe, seeking answers to some of our most profound questions. The dream of finding another Earth may not be as far-fetched as we once thought. So, what have we learned about Kepler 1649c? As we ventured deep into the cosmos, we came across this intriguing exoplanet, Kepler 1649c. It's a world that has captured our curiosity due to its striking similarities to our own home, Earth. Like a cosmic mirror, Kepler 1649c reflects an Earth-like size and temperature, making it a compelling candidate for potential habitability. This remarkable planet orbits a red dwarf star, the most common type of star in our galaxy. Despite being smaller and cooler than our Sun, this star provides Kepler 1649c with a delicate balance of light and warmth, enabling the planet to reside in the habitable zone. This is the celestial sweet spot where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. But Kepler 1649c is far from a carbon copy of Earth. Its year is notably shorter, with the planet completing an orbit around its star every 19.5 Earth days. This rapid orbit, coupled with the red dwarf's propensity for stellar flare-ups, could present unique challenges for life to thrive. Yet it's these very challenges that make the exploration of Kepler 1649c so fascinating. The potential for life on this distant planet hinges on a multitude of factors, some familiar and some entirely alien to our own experiences. If life does exist there, it could take forms that we can barely imagine. The study of Kepler 1649c is not just about seeking new worlds, but about broadening our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Each new discovery peels back a layer of the cosmic onion, revealing more about the mysteries of space and sparking new questions waiting to be answered. So as we continue to gaze into the cosmos, let's not forget about this captivating exoplanet, Kepler 1649c, with its Earth-like characteristics and intriguing orbit around a red dwarf star, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities of life beyond our solar system. Kepler 1649c, a distant world that brings us one step closer to answering the question, are we alone in the universe? Space, the final frontier, is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we reach the end of our journey today, let's take a moment to reflect on the intriguing destination we've explored. Kepler 1649c. This exoplanet, located in the habitable zone of its star, has sparked our curiosity, fueling our imagination and our desire to understand more about the cosmos. We've delved into the characteristics of Kepler 1649c, learning about its size, which is remarkably similar to Earth's, and its orbit around its red dwarf star. We've pondered the possibilities of life on this distant world, with its potential for liquid water and a stable climate. We've also glimpsed into the future of space exploration and the role Kepler 1649c plays in our ongoing quest to uncover the secrets of the universe. Remember, the information we've shared today is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. There are countless other exoplanets out there, each with its own unique story to tell. Kepler 1649c is but one piece of the cosmic puzzle, a testament to the vast and wondrous universe we are a part of. But the exploration doesn't have to end here. The beauty of space, and indeed of all science, is that there's always more to discover, more to learn. So let's keep that spirit of exploration alive. Let's keep looking up and reaching out, daring to dream of what might be out there. Who knows what other secrets the universe has in store for us? As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, let's remember to stay curious, stay open, and stay passionate about the world beyond our own. Because when it comes to space, the possibilities are truly infinite. Until next time, keep looking up. The stars are waiting.